Hey there, Agatha here, and congratulations! Today is the moment you stop being just a spectator of someone else's beautiful life and start creating your own. Opportunities aren't a privilege reserved for a chosen few, but they do depend on how much we know. In this video, I'll show you some of those opportunities, the ones that help me feel more confident in the trading world and realize it's actually simpler than it seems. I've walked this path myself, and there was a time when I believed the only way to feel confident was to work harder and push myself more. Over time, that mindset changed. After 8 years of working in major banks and investment funds, I developed an approach to analyzing the market that can be especially helpful for those just starting out. To get started, all you need is the desire to learn and access to the internet. I'll share the insights that help you better understand the market. Watch closely so you don't miss the key parts. So ready to stop watching from the sidelines? Then let's not waste any time and let's go. Oh, I almost forgot to mention. You're watching this video because you wanna understand trading, right? Great news! I've created a trading community where tons of members follow my every move live and can apply my strategies right from the start of their own journey. Who isn't afraid of change? I've been there too, and that's exactly why I created this space so beginners wouldn't be left alone without a mentor. Here's how it works. In my club, I share my live trading approach in real time, explain everything in simple terms, and you can apply what I'm doing right away. No confusing charts, no weird jargon, just real practice and live sessions. Everything is open and clear. No beginner gets left behind. I personally explain, guide, and support you if you need it. But spots are limited because I want to give every participant my full attention. So pause this video, click the link in the pinned comment and join our community. Don't miss your chance or you will be kicking yourself later for not jumping in. Let's keep going. Alright, let's begin the trading session. As you can see, I've opened the platform. This is how it looks. Let's set up the basic parameters and choose our trading pairs and indicators. Alright, I've double-checked all the settings and it's time to start. We've selected 4 pairs and we will be monitoring them closely. I hope you are ready to follow along. Let's go. Let's take a look at this situation on the chart. We can see a candlestick pattern has formed at the bottom, which often signals potential upward movement, a sign that a correction may begin after a decline. The price has also started crossing the indicator line. Chart analysis suggests that the correction could be deep, possibly leading to a trend reversal. That's why I'm opening a position to the upside. We've made a solid start to the session and we are moving forward. I'll be explaining the reasoning behind each decision as we go. We're seeing a prolonged price decline that eventually reached a specific level. From there, a candlestick pattern has formed, signaling potential upward movement, likely the beginning of a correction. This leads me to take a position to the upside. Let's keep going, we've still got a lot of work ahead. Here we've got an uptrend and now a correction is forming. The indicator lines have crossed and the chart analysis suggests the correction could go deeper. Therefore, I'm going down. It's important to make decisions based on thorough analysis, not guesswork. That's why I rely on indicator signals. So let's move on. Here, the price is falling and has reached a support level. We can see a sideways movement forming right before that level, and the price isn't dropping lower. Chart analysis shows there may be buyer holding the price at that level, which leads me to open a position to the upside. Okay, this happens too. So you've got to be prepared for different factors. Let's keep going. So what do you think? Pretty amazing, right? Live sessions like this happen twice a day, every single day in my free trading community. Just imagine where you will be after a month of these sessions or a year. You don't need to spend hours studying theory. Everything is shown clearly and visually. I share strategies based on over 8 years of real experience, and that experience speaks for itself. You can start learning my ideas and applying them today. I've already been through this journey and know all the pitfalls, so you don't need to repeat my mistakes or waste time on them. You can use my experience to start improving your skills right away. You can start from any level. All you need is your phone and the drive to learn. Spots are limited because I personally support every new member of the community. So I recommend joining now to get access to a group of like-minded people. Pause this video, click the link in the pinned comment and join right now. Let's keep going. Let's return to the first pair. As expected, the trend has shifted. The indicator also shows a change in direction. There is a slight pullback in price happening now. Based on the chart and indicator readings, I'm choosing to open a position to go up. Okay. We've halved through the session. We've got some interesting interim results, but I'm not stopping here. So let's look at this chart. We are seeing a correction, and based on my analysis, the indicators are pointing to a potential uptrend. I believe the price may reach the next resistance level. Definitely something worth watching. Still moving toward the goal, staying focused is key. Let's keep going. Analyzing this chart, I can see that after a correction, the price reached a new high but failed to keep going. Then we saw a sharp drop from that level. This suggests there is strong selling pressure at that point. As a result, I'm thinking about opening a position to the downside. It's important to remember, emotions shouldn't guide your decisions. Let's keep analyzing the market carefully and move forward. Here, after a correction, the price made a new low and then bounced upward. However, from a local resistance level, the price began falling again. This suggests that sellers are still active. If the price drops back below the indicator line, I'll take a reasoned position and keep a close eye on the development. We are almost there, just a couple of trades left before we wrap up, but it's crucial to stay focused till the end. Let's see what's next. Here the price is moving within an uptrend. After a brief correction downward, it's now hitting new heights. The indicator lines also point to continued upward potential, so I'm closely monitoring the situation before making my move. Okay, just one trade left and we will have completed everything we set out to do today. Here the price is approaching a resistance level. I expect there may be some consolidation in this area before a potential breakout, so I'm watching closely, but it's time to make a decision and wrap up today's session. And that's a wrap. To sum up this session, I want to emphasize the decision should always be based on chart analysis and indicator readings, not emotions. But don't close this video just yet. I've got a bit more to share with you. Still here? That means you're feeling ready for real personal growth. You've seen my analysis, my decisions and my action. Now, imagine being able to watch me analyzing the market live every single day and get direct access to everything I've learned. You get it. Theory is great, but without practice it means nothing. I want you to actually start using this knowledge. But how do you avoid mistakes, you might ask? Starting out can feel scary, and you are right. But I've walked this path before, and now it's your turn. I'm offering you my help and the chance to go through it not alone, but with a mentor by your side. That's why I'm excited to welcome you into our community. Together, in real time, we break down real market examples. I share my greatest insights and help every member grow and level up. I build this community both for beginners who are just getting started and for experienced traders who are already in the market. It will help you avoid common mistakes, keep your motivation high, and move faster than I did when I started out. And I'm inviting you to join our community. The choice is yours. Start where you are or start moving forward. But remember, I make it a priority to answer every member questions. Unfortunately, I can't be everywhere at once, so once we hit the limit, enrollment will close. Don't miss your chance to grow. Click the link in the pinned comment and come join us. See you inside!